cats are not small dogs. Their behavior is different to dogs. So this behavior needs to understand very well to reduce their stress level. Therefore, we will discuss few tips how we can reduce their stress levels at home. A cat-friendly home considers their unique needs and needs to be both safe and stimulating to the cat. Most of our homes aren't naturally set up to meet a cat's need. So without having natural behavioral opportunities, cat can develop physical, emotional problems like boredom, frustration, anxiety and lack of activity. Cats like to keep the territory. That's why each cat needs separate water ball, food ball, scratching facilities and litter trays. Space out them around the house away from each other to reduce the competition in multi-cat households. Otherwise, they fight, causing long-term stress. Studies say to offer food in wide, shallow ceramic or glass bowls, which give room for sensitive whiskers. Plastic sometimes can give off a smell, and metal can be frightening for some cats. Humans are social feeders, but remember, cats are not. They are solitary hunters and feeders. Therefore, each cat separated. Each water ball also should have separate location. Water balls should be away from food balls as water can contaminate by food. Cats don't like to drink contaminated water. Most cats like their bowls to be full to the brim. It's important to keep an eye on their surroundings. Commercially available double food and water bowls are not the best, as they are often small. Cats prefer their water and food not to put next to each other. Some cats like the running water. In those animals, you can use water fountains. Other factor is cats are natural climbers. They need to be able to rest and watch over surroundings from high places. Then they feel safe. You can give them access to areas such as shelving, cupboards or other platforms. Just make sure your cat get down easily, specifically older cats who have limited mobility. You can make the cat trees or towers. Free-standing cupboard shelves can be made specifically. It is important to have non-slip surfaces because they can slip otherwise. And also, cats need private hiding places like cardboard boxes or else space under the beds, behind sofa, etc. These areas should not be disturbed. They like their freedom. You know, cats spend most of the time sleeping in beds, chairs or sofas. Make sure bedding is washable. However, don't clean too frequently unless it's soiled, as cats tend to move towards places with a familiar scent. These beds need to be placed in a raised position. Many cats feel they are vulnerable on the floor. Keep the beds in a quiet place. Then the litter trays are essential if the cats are kept indoors. In poor weather, even outdoor accessible cats may need a litter tray. Cleaning of the litter twice a day is also essential because cats don't like the strong scent. Scratch posts need to be tall as possible to allow your cat to scratch vertically at full stretch. Outdoor cats use trees for this purpose. Every cat is an individual, but most prefer toys and games that are as close to the natural hunting experience as possible. Always better to keep the toys away and reintroduce to prevent them getting bored. Cats usually prefer smaller windows in dark rooms if there is a choice, specifically in indoor cats. Larger windows can be confusing. They see garden or street outside and all the potential dangers that they contain, but don't understand that they are safe indoors. Glass does not give cats opportunity to hide. They may come face to face with a neighbor cat on the other side. In such situation, try to attach sheets of decorative static film to the lower portion. To a cat, this will look like a more solid defense. Alternatively, can put some plant pots near the glass to provide camouflage so that the cats feel safe. Next point is cats enjoy fresh air. For indoor cats, you can cover the windows or the grills with small grills where they can go and sit and get fresh air.